Hi, your Roborock Dyad turns on, but displays error 5 like this. Confused about what to do? Worry not. Check out our successful solutions to customer problems. Customer came to us with a Roborock Dyad that would turn on and charge, but displayed an error message. We then took the vacuum cleaner for further inspection, and when we turned it on, error message 5 appeared. We diagnosed it as a faulty vacuum motor and broken hose. Therefore, we recommend replacing vacuum motor and hose. As soon as we receive customer approval, we start servicing and repairing. Before returning it to the customer, we perform unit testing. Moment of truth. Vacuum cleaner works like a champ. It works perfectly. Need help with your robot vacuum? Contact us today.